So this is the home page for the search engine Salmon. So I start my simple search pattern by typing in entrepreneurship education, and then I search. I just wait for the results, and there are the results there. It's populating just under 900,000 results, so that's a lot. But then again, I can start to browse and get a general idea of the things that have been written around this subject. I can see these are ebooks. I'm kind of interested in journal articles to start off with. So I can start browsing and go through what I can see there just from the titles. And that one there catches my eye. It's a journal article, Effects of Entrepreneurship Education. So that's probably maybe something I would want to look at. And as I go down, I can see another article here. It's fairly new, 2016. Entrepreneurship Education, the role of local business. So that's probably another article I'll probably want to look at.